Here's how you can make the omelet from bear.
Okay, I didn't think it was going to be this good because honestly speaking, French omelets don't really have that enticing appeal to me. They just seem really plain. There's no flavor, there's no texture, there's no browning. If this didn't have the cream cheese or the chives or the chips, then it would be pretty plain, and that's what I usually see as French omelets. But when you add everything together, especially with the chips, it has a nice crunch to it. And let's see the drink. That's cool. I basically just mixed orange juice and cranberry juice. I'm assuming that's what she used. I'm not even being biased when I say this. I would still prefer a classic Pakistani omelet. It has that green Thai chilies, the cilantro, the tomatoes, the onions. And the main thing is that it's cooked well done. So it's a bit brown and crispy. I'm going to give this maybe an 8.3 out of 10.